As I mentioned in the original recording on how to place a curtain wall door in a curtain wall, said that there was an exception to not being able to use a standard door. The exception to that is we can swap out one of the curtain wall panels. So same way we did, to place the door with a standard wall type. So in this example, I'm just going to we'll use generic 5, but let's edit and make a new type that's just glass. So I'm going to duplicate, and we'll say it's 1-inch glass. You probably want to say glass 1-inch, but however you want to name it. We'll go in and change its properties. So we want to assign it a thickness that is 1 inch, and we want to specify the material. So from our material dialog box, we will choose glass. Let me drag that over here so you guys can see it. So just find whatever glazing you want. We'll go ahead and use curtain wall glazing and say OK, and OK, and OK. So now that's been replaced with just a piece of glass that is a wall as far as Revit's concerned. Now we're still going to want to delete this bottom mullion. So you're going to want to grab it, unpin it, and delete it. And now we can use our standard door. Now the reason you might need to do this is, a curtain wall door is just going to adjust to whatever size we need it to based on, the grid line and the mullions. But sometimes we don't want it to, or we need to build a door that is a specific size. So for example, a revolving door or biparting, sliding doors like you might see in a grocery store. In those cases, we don't want it to be flexible. We want it to be exactly this size because that's how it's manufactured. So you're still going to have to do some finagling and move your grid lines, and adjust things accordingly. But now I can use my standard door tool. And you'll notice that I still can't place it over here, but I can place it in that panel that I swapped out as a standard wall.